guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to share with you what I did this past weekend. This past weekend, my husband's parents celebrated their 35th wedding anniversary. So I've been asked to create something beautiful out of balloons. All of the balloons that I used for that event, I got from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, Qualitix Balloons. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. You can absolutely use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. All right, without any further ado, let's go. As you can see, I am working with white and peach balloons. I am blowing my 11-inch balloons into different sizes, pairing them and then clustering them. After my clusters are done, I am taking a huge wide bag, I will link it in the description under the video, and bagging all of my clusters into that bag for easier transportation. I did the same thing with white balloons, what I did with my peach balloons. And here I am at my parents' in-laws house setting up the hoop. My hoop frame is terrible. We did put a lot of weight on top of the base. It helped a little bit. It's not the base that's giving me problems, it's the hoop itself. It's unsturdy and wobbly. If you're planning to invest into hoop frame, research and try to find the best one. Invest money into something good. Believe me, it will be worth it. So how did I attach balloons on my frame? I put the frame between balloons and crossed balloons to lock the frame in a cluster. And right here, you can see how much we put on that base to hold it in one spot. At this point, I started to fill in spaces by using rubber bands. At this angle, you can see how much my hoop is leaning. Throughout the whole party, I was constantly coming up and fixing the hoop, making sure it wouldn't fall. I decided to include a few clips with a real-time speed just to show you how I work and how it's going. Just because my hoop was leaning, we had to tie it with fishing line to poles in the ground just to stabilize it at least a little bit.
Your attention, please. Can I have your attention, please? Mom and Dad, we just want to wish you a very happy anniversary and we love you so much. And I just have a little something to say. It all started near Krasnodarsky Krai when Dad fell in love with Mom. They decided to start a new life together. They got married, packed their belongings, left their hometowns, and traveled through Italy with Oleg and Diana to begin their new unplanned journey in America. I know I'm trying not to. They settled down in Pennsylvania, where Dad built our first brick home in Denver. Times were not easy, but by God's will, they stuck together and made ends meet. They sacrificed so much for our family. Now, 35 years later, with 5 awesome in-laws, in-law additions, and 8 grandchildren, our family has grown into something beautiful. Even through the misunderstandings, disagreements, debates, wrestle matches, and almost boxing fights, Chris and Vadim, one thing is certain, Love unites us all. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. You have shown us so much love, and we love you so much and are so grateful for you. God has truly blessed us, and you have molded our family into such a beautiful thing, and the best is yet to come.
Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you.
Excuse me.
I'm going in the middle somewhere. I'm like, okay. Why?
Party came to an end. We had a great time. Now it's time to take everything down. One more close up at this garland. I usually don't do this for clients, but since it's my family, I will be making a balloon garland out of clusters because my mom-in-law wanted to keep balloons so grandchildren can play with them later. As you saw, I am using 260s balloons to construct my garland. 260s won't cut balloons during constructions, and that's why I love them. Here I am showing you spots on balloons. These spots did not oxidize because balloons were touching balloons. As soon as you'll take your latex balloons outside, they will start oxidizing. They will lose shine, firmness, and they have higher chance to pop. That's why I'm always saying to use good quality balloons for outdoor balloon garlands.
Wow. Wow. Balloon parade.
There we go.
This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more videos and great ideas, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.